Hello, Nomad Sculpt and a new update 1.65. Okay, there are no really big changes, but one big one is you can import from Procreate back to Nomad and yes, make the rendering in Nomad Sculpt, but it's not possible to make changes on the painting, I think. You can see this video. Other Oaksy has made a video only about this re-import from Procreate. Yes, it's only for rendering. Where have I got it? Yes. Okay. This is first point is iOS fix open with feature when Nomad is not yet open. It's only a fix. Android import pop-up, load multiple files. Okay, I have iOS. The light fix force light being ignored. Now it's possible to add 4 lights. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And there was a fix for this. And the next thing is a render fix, rendering bug. Sorry. Primitive fix crash when validating mirrored box. It's only a fix. In the fix rotation interaction with the object. Okay. Yes. There was a problem when you use the insert tool in combination with a transform tool, and you change the pivot. When you rotate the pivot or adjust the object and you insert it, it starts to rotate on the other object, and now this is fixed. Now it works. But yes, it's better than before. Okay. And texture support read only. Yes, this is for the Procreate. Support read only textures from OBJ. Okay, the next point, flatten. This is interesting. In the flatten brush, there are new options. Lock plane direction, lock plane origin, average plane direction, and plane offset settings. Here's the test. Flatten is set. Object, this one. Okay, the brush works like this with these settings. Yes, it's a lot of testing what happens, and bring it back and change the now it doesn't work. I think it's yes, it's experimental. I have to reboot the app. Yes, this doesn't work. And this works like this. Yes, let's test it. Okay. Then file fix crash when saving model. It's a fix, material fix in GLB loading corrupted. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.